then open brackets, I'm going to say the int player new y is equal to 0 plus moving object radius, close bracket, semicolon. Right, now that we've validated it, we want to make it so the button will actually respond. So we're going to make the new point. So we're going to go CG point, and we're going to call it button new center equals CG point make int player new x int player new y. So what we've done here is we've created a new point, and we've taken the coordinates of the player new x and the player new y, semicolon. Sorry, I don't know why it's doing this. And then we've just got to transfer that over to the button. So button moving dot center is equal to the point we've just created here. So we want button new center, semicolon. Now what you'll notice is if we run this straight away, firstly we haven't put the object on the page, and secondly we haven't actually called for the accelerometer to start. So what I'm going to say is I'm going to put it in on view did appear, so that we don't get the object moving around before everything's loaded. So we're going to say on view did appear self awake accelerometer. That will wake the accelerometer, but sometimes the app will crash if we keep the accelerometer running. So to prevent this, you want to create a new method built in on view did disappear. We're going to kill the accelerometer, and we shall do this by opening two square brackets, going UI accelerometer, shared accelerometer, set delegate to nil. By doing this, it has nothing to work by, thus killing the accelerometer. If you want to test that your accelerometer is actually started, what we can do is go back up to this awake accelerometer and use what's called an NS log. And this will basically tell us if this method is called, then we'll see a little text box come up in this view here. So all we've got to do left is link the object, so go to the main storyboard or the interface builder file, and then because we've chosen to use a button, I'm going to use a round rectangular button just so you can see it. I'll use 64 plus, 68. Now you'll notice this is where my moving object radius came into play. I want to stop it going off the edges, so what I do is I take the distance from the mid to the ends of the button or image or whatever, and then that will stop the image going off screen. So what we're going to do is drag pressing Control to the button, and you'll see it will highlight button moving. Press that, and then I'll just change the colour so it's easier for you guys to see. No, that's not it. What am I doing? Sorry. Right, that'll do. Okay, so if I place it in the center, and then if I run my program, if you try running this in the simulator, obviously that doesn't have an accelerometer, so it won't be able to detect the movement. But as you can see, the accelerometer has been triggered here. So if I scroll over to, right, there we are. If we go back to the app now, you can see that I'm able to move the object around from left to right using the accelerometer on my iPhone. As you can see, you can't go off screen. If you'd like to make the sensitivity less, just remember all you have to do is go to the view control in which you've activated the accelerometer and change this update interval. If you want it more sensitive, increase it, less sensitive, decrease. Okay guys, that was a Xcode tutorial on how to use the accelerometer to move around objects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.